Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. 43 degrees, cloudy outside, gloomy, rainy, dreary day. But we are here and we are ready to go. We got Nick F first in the chat. What's going on, Nick F? Sky Stonify, No Toast Tim, No Toast, Tim, Sky, Tim, No Toast, Tim, J Bones, Tim, J Bones, Sky Stonify, Tim, J Bones, Tim. We got J Bones. Thank you guys very much for being in here. Let's check out the market and see what's going on because AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, soaring today, up 22.42% of the close, bouncing off $8.19. Wild gains today, and I believe that is on news that AMC is potentially going to delay the conversion of APE because the Delaware court is not going to have their preliminary hearing until April 27th. So investors very excited about that, guys. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 12.44. We can talk about that a little bit more if you guys want to here in a second. Let's go over the market and check out this review here. 12.44 for Shiba Inu coin. GameStop sitting at a 19.11. Bitcoin sitting at 23,300 right now. The Nasdaq closing the day 0.63% higher. VR Therapeutics $2.95, jumping a little bit at the end of the day there, up to 308. AMC 759. Ethereum down 1%. Shiba down 3%. Dogecoin down 1%. Bitcoin down 1%. Sundial closing it at $1.95. Mullen Auto 21 cents on the close there. CEI sitting at $1.71. The SPY $3.97. BBIG 49 cents. Highcroft Mining 40 cents. Netflix $3.23. QQQ $2.93. Ape is sitting at $2.04 after bouncing off a $1.96 lows there, sitting at $2.03 after hours. We'll watch Bitcoin play into the after hours, but nonetheless, a very hard day for the overall market, but a very good day for AMC. We've got, who's first? Nick F was first in the chat today. Pat, man, what's going on? AMC, baby. J Bones, AMC rolling higher today. AMC doing phenomenally, man. 30+% gain at one point, up 20+% at the end of the day today. Amazing gains. Glad I'm still holding it at the moment. Doesn't mean that it's going to continue ripping higher, but I am between the $8 and the $2 that we were touching today. I am still down on my investment, but it's slipping back into that potential break-even mark right there, which I want to get back in the green on it. My goodness, I want to get back in the green on it. Thanks, guy. That's rough, bro. You need a plow. Yes, he does. J-Bones Ohio got that nice toxic cloud floating above us, keeping us warm. There you go, Tim. Nice way to look at it positively. Be interesting if they share the results with you, Tim. Something I did not see what Tim said that he's getting results on. Why would a delay cause a spike? John Connor, very good question, man. So a couple reasons, and I was also wondering this, okay? And I read an article, and it was actually a pretty good article and kind of gave me a different perspective on it. I'll share it with you. So, you know, a lot of people right now on YouTube and Twitter, they're promoting the idea that the conversion is going to be excellent. Why? Because it's going to bring the potential for new dilution to AMC and Adam Aaron there. And the only way to recover the value of the company is to dilute current shareholders and raise money for AMC Entertainment so they can pay off debt, have more cash, and so on. Now, one of the things that you notice here is an arbitrage situation was created because of this conversion. APE being lower than AMC, people were buying, and then the conversion happens, right? And we know that when they convert into the same share, they have to meet in value somewhere. So the idea for arbitrage traders is that because APE is cheaper, buy APE shares because when the conversion happens, they're going to need to go up in value. Sell AMC shares or short AMC shares because when the conversion happens, AMC is going to fall in price. Now, with that being said, that's what was taking place. Arbitrage traders were shorting AMC and they were buying APE. That's why you saw a nice spike up in APE, and you were seeing AMC decline. Now, because of this delay, they are potentially going to be forced to hold their position. These arbitrage traders are going to be forced to hold their position at least a month and a half longer than they expected. So the vote being done on March 14th, they expected to hold until roughly March 14th. Now that they're going to have to hold until a minimum of April 27th, here's what is really going to screw these guys that were shorting AMC specifically for the arbitrage trade. They are paying obscenely high cost to borrows right now. It is like 80, 90, 100+% that Fidelity and Webull and these guys are paying you to loan out your shares of AMC because they're that hard to come by. So these arbitrage traders are essentially going to get ripped by being short on AMC if they intend to take advantage of AMC falling and APE rising in price. So the delay is really making it difficult to arbitrage the situation. Therefore, a lot of people began to sell off of their short shares, knowing that they were only in it for that short-term arbitrage. And then, of course, the selling off or the buying back, I should say, of those short shares to cover those shorts is making the price move higher right now. So it really is a good thing to get rid of those arbitrage traders that were there to, I guess, take advantage of the divergence in price between AMC and APE. And that's why you're seeing a nice move up in AMC and unfortunately a move down in APE right now. Yes. But it was a good perspective shift on why it was a good idea to delay the vote there to really, I mean, I don't know, what's a better or more formal term for, screw the arbitrage traders, because that's what's happening. If they intended to arbitrage for 2 weeks, now it's basically 2 months that they have to pay that cost to borrow. My buy price on Mullen is 19 cents. You're getting very close to that 19 cents, Tim. Don't even think about the jumps in B-Rise. Let's check out BitGert B-Rise. 79, not much to be happy about, but moving the right way. Dude, anytime you have a 20+% move, that is an excellent move in any stock. So yes, I am happy about the green in AMC today. BitGert B-Rise. What do we got here? What do we got? We got BitGert up 3.65% today, and it is, clicked on the wrong thing. It is sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 6, a $200 million market cap. What do we got over the last 7 days? Doing pretty well, going from 4,700 all the way up to 6,700 and back down a little bit. So you do have some nice movement in BitGert over the last 7 days, and especially over the last month, looking pretty good there. Doubling in price over the last month in BitGert, and hopefully it continues to move back up there. But it is at a level of resistance right now, so I would watch out if you're thinking about getting in. Hopefully it's able to break back up above this. You see this dotted line right here, right? I don't know if you guys can see that dotted line on the screen or not, but that dotted line kind of indicating right where we're at. And you can see, support down here, support, fell through and fell pretty hard. And then support on the way back down, support on the way back down, and fell through. So you got to keep your eye on the current level, yes. But BitGert looking very good over the last month, doubling in price there. Hablo muy poco español. Me too pudgy. Absurd. 18,000% in less than an hour. Linda Silva Lima. People going exploding. Let's see. Pessoal, going explodinho. Let's look at this. What do we got here? I don't know which one you're talking about. This one? Not this one, right? Well, certainly not that one. I hope not. We talking about this one that's up 38% today? $3 million market cap on only $1,000, making this bad boy run up 38% today. Is that the one you're talking about there? Lydia, we need to know. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Nigaf to you, my brother. Dilly. Thank you very much, Pat. for the super chat. Loving it, man. Pat, dude, thank you very much. Mike, good afternoon to you. Hey, how did you vote? So I don't want the conversion because I don't want the reverse split and I don't want the additional dilution. If they were to, and you know, all of that stuff has to go through to take place. If they were willing to convert AMC and Ape together into one share, but no reverse split and no additional dilution, I wouldn't have a problem with it. I wouldn't have a problem bringing those shares back together. So a simple conversion, fine with me. But when you add the conversion, you add the dilution, and you add the reverse split all in and taking place, I gotta vote no on that, man. I don't want the additional dilution, and I don't want the I don't want the reverse split. So, like I say, I would be okay to vote yes on something that had the conversion, but not the dilution and reverse split attached to it. But like I say, dude, that's what my train of thought is. If you guys are opposed to that, if you're truly opposed to it, not because some other dude made a good argument that AMC's only way out is to dilute current investors, because that'll be the case for the next eternity if you allow them to. If you allow them to use you as a bank account, dude, they'll use you as a bank account for all of eternity. So, as long as you believe it's the right thing to do, well, go ahead, vote for it. But I don't think that the dilution is a good thing. How you feel about XRP these days? You know what, Sky Stonify? I actually feel a little bit better about XRP, but not specifically for XRP, right? I feel a little bit better about XRP because it's not just about XRP anymore. Gary Gensler is going to be coming after every single cryptocurrency, and it's going to be tough. So I don't see the exclusion of XRP. It's going to be every crypto. So in that sense, I feel a little bit better about XRP, but nonetheless, XRP still got its work cut out for it. I see Mullen hitting $5 come mid-2024, maybe third quarter 2024, but really seeing first and second quarter because they're going to start building the 5 and release the first of 2025. Dude, if you could, what is that? Basically a 5x plus 5. If you could 25x your money in Mullen Auto, do it, please. Please do it. Kenneth, when does Mullen start delivering the vehicles? I could see that, Kenneth. My buy point is between 15 and 20 cents. January to February 2025. What's up, Clay Brown family? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? How you doing, man? AMC was Adam making cash. Adam making a lot of cash on that one. 20 short on likes. Y'all need to get that right. Guys, click the like button. Click the like button, please. I'm voting yes, 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 and yes. 3 yeses. Not yes, 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 and yes. It's yes, yes, and yes. Exactly, man. If you guys think it's the right thing to do, go ahead and vote, right? I do not like the idea of dilution and reverse split. I just don't like it. I don't like the idea of dilution, but I really don't think the idea of reverse split is necessary at all. I'd rather see the stock price trade in that $5 range than trade in the $50 range. But yeah, if you think it's the right thing to do, vote on it. Don't let me sway you one way or another, but at least you hear that perspective, right? At least you hear that perspective on it. Don't shut it down. Think about it, okay? If you still disagree with it, you know, move on. Same way you hear the other perspective. If you hear guys on YouTube like Bigums and those other people, if they're saying dilution is the only way to go, well, listen to it. And if you disagree with that, yeah, vote contrary. Just don't vote because somebody else is voting like for something. At least let it make sense to you. Let's see here. J-Bones, where is Pika? Where is Pika? Where are you? Where are you? Where is Pika, are you in here right now? Are you listening? J-Bones needs to know, and so do I. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, and we do want to know where Pika is. Is Mullen down right now or not at a good level? Yeah, so Rob, Mullen Auto is down today. It's sitting at 21 cents. So closed the day at 21.69 cents, a 6.31% loss on the day there. Very, very low. And if you look at the daily chart here, you can see we got to bring this daily chart out drastically to see what's going on here. But it's in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. So you can see that we are hitting a little level of support today. Bounced off of it here and tested it on this candle. Tested it here, and we're testing it today. Now, of course, Mullen Auto can break through that level and begin to retest that 18 range that we were sitting in for, I don't know, that looks like about 2 weeks there. If it breaks down below 18, please be extremely cautious because there's no support. It hasn't been lower than that. There's no support below that level. So there's a good chance that it could bounce off this level like it did back here, bouncing off 20s and going all the way up to almost 50 cents. If it breaks through this level, watch 18 and be very cautious of a break below 18. So yes, Mullen Auto is down right now, but it is near some, I would say, very strong levels of support, but we're just going to have to watch and find out. It could be tied to the NASDAQ, right? If you're looking at the NASDAQ right now, the NASDAQ is right around this level of support. That was support here, support back here, resistance, 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 and it did break through it nicely in January, but right now the NASDAQ is down. NASDAQ's got a long way to fall before it gets to its low, so if the NASDAQ continues a strong decline, I would not be surprised if Mullen Auto hits an even lower low here. So just watch out for that. But yeah, Mullen is at a fairly significant low level. Richie's Plan Talk. Thank you very much. Good. I'm here, buddy. Burn's still on for LUNC for March 1st. Very nice. Richie, I gotta know, man, are you going to be promoting it on Twitter, showing people? Are you gonna be doing it simply on your YouTube? Are you gonna be doing it on a live stream on your YouTube? Let these people know right now. And guys, if you do not subscribe to Richie's Plain Talks channel, please go subscribe to his channel. He's going to be burning some Terra Luna Classic on March 1st, same day that Binance is going to be burning some Terra Luna Classic. If you want to watch the transaction go over, if you want to contribute, if you want to help Richie out, burn some Terra Luna Classic, my boy's got a burn party going on March 1st to burn Terra Luna Classic. Obviously, you don't need to participate if you don't want to. You can be there. You can watch some videos. You can support that way. You can have some fun in the live stream, all that good stuff. But Richie's got a burn party going on March 1st. And the more the merrier, absolutely, like with any party. So Richie, let us know what you're doing, man. Are you gonna be doing it live? Are you just gonna be doing a video showing you burn? What's your plans for the burn party, man? Don't know what Clay's talking about, but that's why I like him. Gives you the you think this way about it, or you can do this perspective. More conservative, so thinking equals smarter thinking. Dude, look, man, I try to think smart, right? I think that the way that I view things obviously is right for me. But I understand too, man, if you guys want to do something else, I can think it's wrong, but you can still do it, right? I'm allowed to think it's wrong, and you're allowed to think what I'm doing is wrong. My gosh. People these days, I'm not allowed to do wrong things, I guess. Well, you are. I'm just allowed to think it's wrong, too. You can't stop me from thinking it's wrong. Mullen at 19 cents for his strike price. Not financial advice, but you're welcome in advance. Thank you in advance, Tim. I think I will say thank you in advance. Richie coming in really hot today. Yes, posted on Twitter and channel Bonfire, baby. Just video. There you go. Richie's Plain Talk. And I have the video going for the burn party on March 1st. I like it. If anybody else wants to burn, give a shout out to Richie, all of that good stuff. You can definitely burn. Listen, even if you burn like 1,000 Terra Luna Classic, it doesn't matter if you're just out there burning. a dollar or 10 cents or 20 cents or $10 or whatever. If you want to contribute. Clearly, if you don't want to burn your money, you don't have to burn your money. But nonetheless, it is still inspiring and it's fun to see people have these burn parties because they're looking out for the best interest of the chain and they want to see the supply drop. So it is good that way. 10 memberships. Richie's Plain Talk. Ladies and gentlemen, grab those green names right now. Yes. Guys, if you got a green name, please throw a thank you out to Richie's Plain Talk right now. Loving that, man. Richie, Gorilla Invictus got a green name. Ryan Davis got a green name. Crypto Dreamer got a green name. Project Moon got a green name. Tony D got a green name. The Franchise got a green name. King Mama got a green name. Peter Banfield got a green name. And Kraken got a green name. I actually don't know if I've seen a list of more active users grabbing a green name from anybody than that list right there. Even Rye grabbing a green name. These are all names that I have seen in the chat before. Richie, man, thank you very much for throwing out 10 green names, dude. Absolutely incredible, and I'm very glad that you guys got those green names. Those are 10 basically active members, very active members on the chat. So thank you very much for that, Rich. And guys, throw some love out there for Richie right now. Say a thank you. Even if you didn't get a green name, say a thank you for Richie. Everybody's literally going to be green in here. I love it. How's Farmy doing today? Like fire truck money or Forte money? Like bicycle money, man. Tim, Farmy's doing like bicycle money. I don't know if you saw it, but Farmy dropped from like $1 down to 50 cents in one day, and now it's back down into the 40s. Farmy has been getting ripped over the last couple of days. Look, Farmy had a very nice run for about a month and a half there, going from 38 cents up to $1. And then in one day, boosh, man, getting lost, going from $1 down to 50 cents. And sitting down here touching 40 cents yesterday. Pretty flat day today, but back down to 47 cents, man. Could come back down. If it breaks this 40-cent mark, could be coming back down to the 6-cent mark after the, I think, 25 for 1. What was this reverse split? 25 for 1 reverse split. Could be coming all the way back down. I mean, it was trading at the 30-cent level, 40-cent level, way back here before the 25 for 1 reverse split. And that, of course, takes the price back to here. $30 per share, guys. This company has been nothing but a loss and a scam since the beginning. So when you see it go from $258 a share to 47 cents a share, you know that they are not out for anybody's benefit other than themselves. They are using investors as dilution machines to raise as much money as possible. They don't want to make money for you. They want to use you as a bank, and that is exactly what they are doing. $258 to 47 cents is not a good stock. It's not a good company, and I'm going to straight up say it is not good people running that company. Not even good people, man. You can't even give them the benefit of the doubt. They're not even good people doing it. Let's see. Richie! I was going to gift one. Now I look like I'll bait it. No, you will not, Tim. I don't even know. Oh, Satoshi Nakamoto is the only gray name in here right now. Everybody else got a green name, so Satoshi might get it. Hey, bro, I haven't looked at Farmy. I just had to get a Farmy Forte joke in. Well, Tim, there you go, man. Ooh. AMC chapter, that 20-month looks so good. 20 months of bro. I love it. More members added to the family. LFG, baby. Oh, yes. Dude, that 20-month looks good. I believe you, J-Bones, Mr. Simon, Stephanie, you guys might be the only 20-monthers right now. Is anybody else a 20-monther? I really don't know. Is anybody else a 20-monther besides Trapper, J-Bones, Stephanie, and Mr. Simon? Clay still no. Meta Pockets. I took a I took a bad loss. I took a bad loss in 2022, last year on Farmy. Closed it out, man. Moved on with my life, and I will be writing that loss off for a very long time now. But no, I got out. It was, dude. When I got out, I'm pretty sure it was like $1.15 or something. But it could have been in the $1.20s or something else. It was, I remember I was sitting outside last year. It was warm out when I did it. But yeah, dude, it was freeing, actually, to move on with my life after that one. It was very hard at the same time, but it was freeing, man. So I'm not in it anymore. Now I can look back at it with an extreme battle wound, and some experience from it. Click, can you read my comment? Lost in the membership. Since Tim wants to bring up stuff he's not even looking at, yes, I will. After I say, Marco, thank you very much for the 5 months membership. That's cool. Really, I've been here since September of 2021. Mark, man, very nice. Glad to have you here as well. As of all the green names, of course. Click, if Shib is supposed to jump, why are we at 12? Very good question, man. I think that Bitcoin is limiting price pumps right now in all of cryptocurrency. The fact that Bitcoin isn't necessarily terribly bullish is prohibiting a lot of cryptos from moving higher. So I'm gonna blame it on the overall crypto market and on Bitcoin right now. Welcome 10x. Also, Click, I get you're more of an investor than a day trader, but could you make videos on how to make daily profits? Accounts are starting to look more like a week's check. Welcome to, yeah. So you know what, Chris? There's actually several ways to do it, man. And it depends a little bit more on, I guess, your preferences, okay? So, and I can just give you a very brief overview on some stuff to look at. But if you are looking to make some day trades or some swing trades, stocks like Tesla, stocks like Apple, stocks with a lot of volume that move are what you want to look for. So I know that Apple doesn't move like 5-10% in price, but a lot of people, all they care about when they day trade is scalping. So if you can go in there and you see a couple green candles, or if you see a slight resistance break, or if you see a bounce off support, it's a buy signal. Now, I can't necessarily, and I can try to make some videos on this, yes. My crypto in general, my crypto news videos have been very low, between like 1,000 to 1,500 views. So I may try to switch those up a little bit if I can, and see something that's a little bit more intriguing to people that they want to watch. But there are several different strategies that you can go over, and I'm going to tell you this right now. I can't determine the strategy that you like. So one of the things that you can look at is actual day trading and scalping. Going in there and seeing a technical break, or using some sort of an indicator that says buy, and then going in and scalping a quick 0.5%, 1%, and so on. If you're a swing trader, you know, you're going to want to see a slightly more robust move, and you might be looking at a week to a month. So this level right here, if you were going to swing trade Bitcoin, right, we know that this is a very significant level of resistance or support on Bitcoin, and we did get a bounce off of this level today. So this could indicate that you want to buy Bitcoin. If you were to buy Bitcoin, your intentions are, in a swing trade platform, to ride it back up to 25,000. 25,003, yes, if you want, but 25,000 or 24.8 is going to be a little bit more conservative. So if you're using support and resistance lines, you've got your bounce, you can get in. If you want to be a little bit more conservative, you've got your bounce, wait for a green candle. Now, your indicator to get out would, and potentially at a loss, right? Because you have to be very disciplined if you're swing trading and day trading. If it breaks below this level, you're not going to want to hold the bag. You're just going to want to get out and potentially either, you know, play to the downside if you're willing to short it, or jump in down here as it bounces off 21.6. So that would give you a little bit more of a week-long or potentially a month-long swing trade to take it from 23 to 25%. Or 23,000 to 25,000. That's basically a 10% gain, which is not bad. Now, another strategy that I do actually use, and you should use if you don't necessarily like day trading and you want to generate some income while holding your investments or trying to hold for the longer term, is a lot of what Frank does in covered calls, okay? So let's just use AMC as an example, since everybody loves AMC in here, right? If you're looking at AMC, and I want to make sure that I'm still big clay, so you guys can, okay, little clay, so you can see this. Okay, so if you're looking at AMC and you actually have no intentions of selling your AMC, or you are more of an investor, okay, and you want to hold it, so you can change this to Apple, you can change it to literally whatever you want, but you want to make sure that you hold about at least 100 shares, 100 share increments, 100, 200, 300, etc. So you're holding your AMC here, and you want to make some income on it. You want to make some money. You can come out to the options chain, and you can look. These are the calls. These are the call options. Well, if you want to make some money this week, if you want to generate a weekly paycheck, you're going to sit here and say, all right, it's at $7.60. Next level of resistance is upper $8. Very good chance that it could test this $9 level of resistance. Let's look at the options. For this week, you can make, if you're looking at the $10, you believe it's going to be very difficult for AMC to pass through $10. You can make $26 going in there and selling these calls for AMC at $10 a share. That's for every 100 shares you own. So let's say that you did own 1,000 shares of AMC. You can go in there and make $260. And you can do that on a weekly basis. That is guaranteed money. It goes into your account immediately once you sell it. And what you're saying is, okay, if AMC goes above $10 a share, you can have my shares for $10. So if AMC closes at $11 per share, they're going to pay you $10 a share for them. But you've already collected your $26 or your $260 if you got 1,000 shares by selling those. If you want to create yourself a monthly paycheck, you can come out to the end of March and you could say the same deal. All right, well, shoot. I don't know if AMC is really going to be above $10 by the end of the month or not, but I can generate $61 for every 100 shares that I have. If you're sitting on 1,000 shares at AMC, all of a sudden you just put $610 into your account on a monthly basis. So you can create monthly paychecks, weekly paychecks, however you want to look at it, guaranteed in your account now if you're willing to sell covered calls on the positions that you own. Now, you can even go all the way out to $13. If you don't think AMC is going to double in price, you can still make $11 per 100 shares, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. You can still make $11 per 100 shares and be highly doubtful that you're going to get called away, because it's going to be pretty hard for AMC to go to $13 a share by this Friday. I mean, it has to close above 11, or it has to close above $13 on Friday. So there are several strategies that you can use to generate income, whether it be day trading, selling options, or trading options if you want a little bit more volatility. I know it's a long answer, but hopefully if you got any questions about it, you can ask on that. Binance buying a lot of Dogelon, very nice. Clearbro emails says you dabbed me up, Richie's bro. What's up, my legendary stats? What's good, Project Moon? Yes, dude, you got that green name, Project Moon. Richie's throwing it out there, loving it, man. And thank you very much for coming in here and saying thanks to Richie on that one. Hey, bro, question: throw $5, do a hostile take? Yes. I'm not. Yes, I'm saying yes. Let's see what the 8 ball says. Should we all throw in $5 and do a hostile takeover of Farmy? Very doubtful. Dang it. All right, well, I'm going to ask the 8 ball again later, because I say yes, we should do a hostile takeover of Farmy, but the 8 ball says that it's very doubtful that we should do that. Velo coin. Let me catch back up in the chat. We can try to look at Velo coin in a second here at TV Ryu. I do not hold it, but something. Is Chipro still alive? Rob, I sure hope so. So it is still cold outside. It was 40 degrees today with the wind chill, 32 degrees. It was raining. Chipro, I've not seen him since the fall, but I would imagine he is still alive. Yes. I did put some nuts out on the back porch the other day, and something ate them. So I don't know if it was Chipro. I don't know if it was a squirrel. I don't know if they just floated away, but something ate them. How you know which one is Chipro? Actually, dude, Chipro is the biggest one. Chipro is by far the biggest one. And you can, so it is kind of hard to tell if he's not around another chipmunk, but Chipro is like a very large chipmunk, probably because I've been feeding him so much. But also, you can tell, like, once they start eating out of your hand again, you can really tell, because he's the only one that's not really skittish, like coming over and trying to eat out of your hand. But the dude is like twice the size of all the other chipmunks. It's ridiculous. At least we still have our revenge. That we do. Larry says, called Jesus' name for Shiba Inu coin. Go to $11, man. My money in the dream hit 300,000. It didn't show the price of Shiba. It didn't show the price of Shiba, but it's only 300,000. Only the coin I have is Shiba in the box. Larry, very nice, man. $11, dude. I don't know if Shiba's gonna go to $11. Let's see. It's on the way up again. Very nice. Come back down. Richie's playing talk. Says, I just bought before the weekend when everything dropped. Then sold green. Didn't make much. $269. But if I put that up... There you go. Richie, man. Making $269. Very nice, dude. Gotcha. Always. Thanks, Clay. Honestly, AMC bear market kind of messed me up because always forget I made profit before AMC, which every play was as easy as they are merging this day to take profits then. Chris, me too, man. Me too. And here's the thing, though, too. You are absolutely right. The bear market messed a lot of people up. It really did. See, the thing that I don't know, man, because there's so many people that came in to investing because of the C word and everybody jumping in. And then that coinciding with the time of all of these meme stock runs and penny stock runs in AMC and GameStop and this like entirely new era and movement. Yeah, dude. A lot of people have forgotten or want to overlook the fact that basically from 2010 to 2020, your 401k was up literally every year with maybe the exception of 1 year. And it almost didn't matter what you bought. If you bought a company that wasn't like Farmy, you were going to make money on it. Like, everybody has already forgotten that. And look, I'm not trying to rip on the president or anything, but I saw a tweet earlier today saying that he doesn't care about anybody. Like, all he cares about is making sure people work and they can provide for themselves by making a paycheck. There's a lot of people, that are already retired and living off of their pensions and off of their 401ks and off of their retirement. And, my grandpa is one of them. You guys probably have grandparents or parents that are one of them that aren't still generating some sort of a paycheck. And there's a lot of Americans, right, that depend on their retirement accounts and their 401ks and stuff. And long-term bull markets, they don't get the same type of hype that we have had over the last couple of years here, but it's a completely different environment to be in when everything is just slowly, steadily gaining. And you're not in this type of, my God, inflation is at 9% mentality. Oh my gosh, we just printed $50 trillion. There's a lot of weird stuff going on right now that's not indicative of a normal market. Chipro Bull, dude, AMC Trapper, Chipro, I love Chipro, right? But all of these other tiny little chipmunks that come out, he really does bully them. And I try to yell at him and say, no, you can't do that. You cannot, don't bite. No, but he chases them off, man. He is a bully. I will give him that. I don't know if it's the animal kingdom or what, but yeah, that dude is a definite bully. He's big, and he'd probably try to bully me, dude. Like, if I don't put food out for him one day or something, he might try to knock on the door and say, hey, where's my food? Or try to come in and get it. Bros for life. Thanks, bro. Heck yeah. Richie's, bro. Richie's playing talk and Project Moon. I like it. It's very important. Can I be first? John J. Yes, you can be first. John J, dude, I watched that video you posted of that hawk or vulture or whatever that is taking that dog, man. You can't be. That's just terrible, man. That makes me sad. Bro, you're welcome. Heck yeah. Patrick, I see you $5. Raise you 10 for Farmy. Do not do it unless everybody agrees to a hostile market manipulative takeover of Farmy. I would not invest Farmy. I would not invest in Farmy even if it was a penny right now. Those people that run that company are nothing but scammers, man. Do not do it unless everybody is ready for an actual hostile takeover. Thank you very much for the super chat and the authorized hydration, Pat. So good, man. So good. Moji! Moji says, I see AMC Trapper in here. How do you eat a banana? I'll tell you how to eat a banana. You peel the banana, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Oh, notice the eye contact the entire time. Moji, man, thank you very much for the proper introduction to all the newbies out there on how to lick it and stick it. My 401k is now smaller than my midget neighbor's height in centimeters. Thanks, Mr. Biden. I wish my third grade teacher would chuck Biden into a dark closet for the rest of the semester. Johnson, Tom, be careful what you wish for, because she might actually do it, man. And you know what? I'm not even going to lie. I have not looked at my 401k in a very long time. And after my brother telling me about his, I do not want to look at my 401k in a very long time. The weak call and bully. It's hard to be an alpha. Yeah, dude, it's very hard. It is hard to be an alpha in the animal kingdom. You just got to eat, man. You just got to eat and have good genetics. And let me tell you, he's got some good genetics and he eats. He's a good chipmunk. Sub to you, Richie. Nice. Thank you very much, Project Moon. Anybody out there supporting Richie's Plain Talk, absolutely appreciate that, man. Richie's Plain Talk, huge supporter of the channel here. So, of course, we got to support him back, man. I subscribe to Richie as well. So, all of you guys, if you want to, you can. Is Farmy an ADA? So, Farmy is a Chinese company. I don't know if it's an American depository or not, but Farmy is a Chinese company that supposedly sells mushrooms. And I promise, when I tell you, I'm not exaggerating. I think that they sell like just packs of mushrooms. Like you go to the grocery store and you're trying to grab a little pack of mushrooms for $3, that I'm pretty sure that's all they sell. So when they say they have an international order, all I can see is the fact that they're shipping like a $3 package of mushrooms to Canada or whatever. Ooh, fancy underwear. Me? Somebody else? Who's got fancy underwear? Hood bro sent you a video in Discord. You see it flying? Yes, John J. I saw it, and it makes me very sad. I do not like when puppies get swooped up by vultures or whatever that bird is. If it is, it might explain the pricing. Yeah, I don't know. I just know it's a terrible, terrible company, and I will not invest in them anymore. Shib to the moon. Hessel! Let's go. Shiba Inu coin to the moon. Ignored by Trapper. Ooh, saw it. Did Trapper ignore something? Trapper better not ignore anything. Trapper, you missed your banana. I'm good if Shib hits half a penny. Tony, how good are you? How good are you if Shiba Inu coin hits half a penny? Are you good for literally the rest of your grandchildren's life? Or are you good for like the week? How good are you if Shiba Inu coin hits half a penny? I want to know. If Shiba Inu coin hits half a penny, yeah, I'm going to be... more than just me is going to be good if Shiba Inu coin hits half a stinking penny. How good are you going to be? Half a penny, man. Half a penny ain't no joke, dude. That ain't no... literally, how good are you guys going to be if Shib runs to half a penny? Yeah, and maybe you don't have any. Maybe you don't have any Shiba Inu coin. I get it, but... dude. I mean, I feel like I'm good. currently. So if Shib runs to half a penny, dude, I might actually buy something if Shiba Inu coin runs to half a penny. Golly boom. Chipro is not a bull. He's just jealous for Claybro. Hey, Pat, I'm not gonna lie. I do think that he's got jealousy issues. I really do. I really think that he's got jealousy issues too. Because that chipmunk cannot stand if anybody else is near the food dish, if anybody else is near me, if anybody else is like near his hole. I think the dude's got jealousy issues with everything that he's in. By hole, I literally mean the hole in the ground. Freaks. So, combined, hostile takeover of Farmy, we could be mini market makers. Tim, I would actually do it, man. And a hostile takeover of Farmy would not be that difficult to do. You are looking at market cap. Dude, if we could just come up with 6 million, we could easily do a hostile takeover of Farmy. We would own 51% of the company, and supposedly, if we came up with $6 million, they are supposedly, right, sitting on $60 million in cash. Now, that's gotta be a bold-faced lie, okay? It's gotta be a bold-faced lie. Their assets, they claim to be $165 million. And their liabilities, they claim to have total liabilities of $4.89 million. I can assure you, and I don't know why I don't try, man. I should go try to take out a $6 million business loan or line of credit just to buy this company. I can assure you, I would buy Farmy for the $6 million. Actually, if I could, I'd buy all the shares, 100% takeover, take them private. After looking at their books to confirm everything, I would fire every single one of those people that worked there. I would liquidate every asset that they have. I'd take that $6 million and immediately, I don't even care if I liquidated their assets for 10 cents on the dollar. The $60 million in cash, perfect. I'm good on that. I'll turn the $12 million into $60 million and then take 10 cents on the dollar for every asset that they own and take that $12 million, $60 million to $60 million. All right. Even if it's 10 cents on the dollar, so there's $6 million. It's $66 million. Take that $12 million, liquidate everything for 10 cents on the dollar. Everybody else gets a great deal. And I walk away with $66 million cash after firing everybody and dissolving that business. I would do that in a second, and I would do it with a smile on my face. And it would cost $6 million if you're trying to split it. But if you want the whole thing, you got to pay $12 million. Shibarium theme song. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hoogie boogie, and there you go, man. John Jay's got the Shibarium theme song. I'm out. Pay off everything. Moji, I like it. Let's see where we go. And people are currently making money, making more safe money on banking investments. But as interest comes down, I'm betting people move back to the market. Yeah, Kenneth. It's a cycle that people go through, and you are absolutely correct. If you can make 3, 4, 5% at the bank, there are people who will never touch the stock market if they can make 3, 4, 5% at the bank. Once they go back down to making 3, 4, 0.05% at the bank, they'll flow back into the stock market, and then prices will steadily rise. So you were definitely correct on that one. Let's see, Rich Plain Talk. I'm grabbing the profits before SEC jumps on them. Richie's Plain Talk, not a bad idea because we know that Gary Gensler is coming after every crypto that he can. Shiba hits half a penny or more. No more painting or drywall. There you go, Tony D. There you go. No more painting or drywall for you. I like it, dude. A little over $500,000. I've lived off less. So Mark, there you go, dude. And you know what? People act like you need $5 million. You don't need $5 million in cash, man. Nobody ever saves that type of money their entire life. Nobody ever saves that type of money. You definitely do not need $5 million to, one, be happy, or two, sustain yourself. Litecoin is leagues above Shiba. Project Moon, yes, Litecoin is probably leagues above Shiba in terms of blockchain and stuff like that. But people do love Shiba Inu coin, and you cannot deny it. AMC Trapper, mortgage free good. I like it. That is pretty good, Pat. That mortgage free is amazing. AMC Trapper says, let me see that banana action. Dude, I'll give you the banana action. You tilt the head back a little bit, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for demonstrating to everybody how you properly lick and stick a banana, man. Maybe he'll see this. Oh, yeah. Somebody saw it for sure. If Shib hits 0.005 on my 500, what is that, 500 million? I can't read it. All house money. My hand-painted portrait will hang in all of my progeny's mansions. Nice, man. Nice. Tim. It's goals, dude. It's goals. Moji, it looked like a tripod, but yep, I have no idea what is going on right now. If Shiba hits 0.005, my 1.2 billion will be worth $6 million gross. Let's see, minus 2.2 million taxes, $4.1 million bank. Boom! Now, see, some people, Kenneth, you hit 4.4 or $4.1 million bank. Some people are going to go out there and say, ooh, I can buy that $3.5 million mansion. And then they don't realize, well, that $3.5 million mansion is probably going to come with $40,000 a year property taxes. It's probably going to come with utilities that break $1,000 a month. It's going to come with, wild expenses. You're going to have a lot to maintain. And then all of a sudden, how in the world did I get net negative again? Well, dude, you overspent yourself, man. You overspent yourself. So I know I'm not like insinuating that that's going to happen to you, but I'm just saying it's a situation, man. A lot of people think that they wouldn't be fine with that 4.1 million. You would be, Kenneth. You would be. Tony, speaker cranked for the crew. He's asking if Tony's got the speaker ready to go. Hey, bro, in the house, baby. What's going on? Sean Guerrero, how you doing, man? Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Don't forget to set aside a bit more for a throne made for the former farming executive's bones and whatever what is that, Carif? I don't even know what that word is, of their blood. Well, dude, that is rather disgusting, but I like it. Pat, I like it a lot, man. It paints a very good visual in my head. I'll authorize some hydration to that. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat. And we got another green name going to Killer Peja out there. Tim, thank you very much for that green name. Killer Peja, if you're in the chat right now, make sure to thank Tim for the green name. Jeff, man, you and Sean are the only gray names in the chat right now. Everybody else got a green name. Tim, thank you very much. Patrick, thank you very much. You guys are amazing, man. $4 million can buy a lot of tacos. Jeff, that it can. It can actually buy 4 million tacos on Taco Tuesday. Chicago Wall here. Hey, Clay. Hey, bros. Hope all is well. Al Pacino, man. What is going on? Patrick, we'll all drink out the skulls of the farming executives. Oh, unfortunately, I don't know if I would do that. That's kind of gross, but that's something that I would want to do. Yeah, for sure. But I don't know if I would actually do that. That seems kind of gross. Let's see here. Tim, nice. Heck yeah. Richie's Plain Talk. We're throwing those green names in the chat. Everybody's got a green name today, except for, of course, Jeff and Sean. Moji! Tim, this is for you. Tony D's crew, this is for you. Oh! Thank you very much for the King Turkey. Absolutely love it. And hopefully Tim and Tony's crew there loved it as well. Forgot the crown for a second. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, man. Moji, much love, my brother. Heck yeah. What do the different names mean? Oh, Sean, dude. So the blue names are the moderators on the channel. if anybody's acting out, like they're trying to cause some problems or whatever, the moderators can put them in timeout for a minute, can absolutely ban them from the channel if they want to hide them from the channel. So they're the ones that kind of make sure nobody's out there saying anything obscene and ridiculous and causing any problems. The green names in the chat, it does cost $3 or $5, depending on which one you want. It does cost $3 or $5 to get the green name per month. So those are the basically channel supporters, the members of the channel. They get like a free super chat every month and support the channel in that way, and you get the little icon next to your name as well. The gray names, which is what you are, basically people that are just watching the channel, could be subscribers, maybe they don't subscribe, maybe they're brand new, and things like that. So you got the gray names, you got the green names, and you got the blue names, moderators, members, and then just everybody else that is in the chat there. My American Bulldogs freaking went bat crazy. Oh, yes, Tim. How would one get a different colored chat? So, Jeff, man, if you want a different colored chat, if you're on Samsung, you can just click the blue join button, which should be like right below the live stream somewhere or very close to the subscribe button. Okay, so Richie's Plain Talk just gave away 10 of them. If you click that thing that Richie's Plain Talk just said and click turn on gift enable or enable gift receiving, you can get a green name in the chat right now. Seemingly, because you did not get one and you are in the chat. I like green. Richie's Plain Talk. I love green, man. Thank you very much. Here's another way that you can get it. So if you click on the thing that Richie just said right now, you can click enable gift receiving. And the next time somebody does a giveaway like that, you can get a green name. So if you don't have a Samsung and click join and do it yourself, you can wait for somebody to do a giveaway like that. Or if you're on iPhone, I believe you have to copy and paste the link in the description that says join the channel, become a bro, grab a green name, and go out through Safari because iPhone does not like the YouTube app. But absolutely appreciate it, Richie's Plain Talk, man. Thank you very much for giving away another 10 green names. Guys, Marquise got a green name, or Marquise got a green name, Mike got a green name, Corleone got a green name, Alex Rivera got a green name, Texas Crypto got a green name, Onion News got a green name, Vasily got a green name, Great Mega King 2022 got a green name, Crypto Keeper got a green name, Peter got a green name. Thank you very much for all 10 of those green names. Please, the 59 of you guys in here right now, welcome the new green names. And please say thank you to Richie for throwing those out. Man, Richie, I absolutely appreciate it. 20 green names today. Thank you very much for that, dude. Absolutely killing it. You like green. I like green. Everybody in here is a bro right now, looking good. It ain't easy being green, Kenneth GB. It is not easy being green, but you are making it look easy, man. Thank you very much. I like the green. Just turned on. Let's go. There you go, Sean. If you enabled your gift receiving, there's a very good chance the next green name that's given, you will be able to receive it. If not, you can always click the blue button yourself and join the channel and all of that. So let's see. Moji throwing a green name. Who does it go to? Does it go to Sean? It goes to Sean. Grabbing that green name. Sean, man, there you go. You turned it on and you got one. How many grays do we have in here? I don't know. Sean just turned gray. So, Jeff, do you see what Sean just did there? Sean clicked on the thing that Moji sent over, enabled gift receiving, and there Sean grabbed that green name. Looks like Jeff might be the only one left in the chat right now without a green name. How many no color? Yeah, I don't know how many no color names. I actually don't know. How many no colors are in here right now. If you guys don't have a green name, show us in the chat. Otherwise, everybody is blue. Everybody is green. Looking good right now. Being a bro has a lot of perks, even outside of YouTube. There you go. It really does, Pudgy. And look, I'm not saying that... I'll be the first to claim I'm not the best at having perks for the green names and exclusive content or things like that. But anybody that has a diamond next to their name, I do want to make sure that you guys got a bro shirt. Anybody that's been a member for over a year, I want to make sure you guys got a bro shirt there. So basically, being a member for a year, you're guaranteed to get a shirt there. The Discord, if you guys are in the Discord, you got exclusive access to the supporters chat there if you got the green name. So there are a lot of perks, yes. but I know that I could be a little bit better at that. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that are better for green names and stuff, but I don't know, man. I try. You show us Richie's Plain Talk, man. You're awesome, dude. Thank you very much. Hope the new greenies hit that like button. I also hope they hit that like button. Crazy Man, not a green name. I am working on getting a green name. Jeff, very nice, dude. Nah, let's see. A new greenness. Gotta renew, though. I would love it if they renewed. Yes, that would be great. How is it 5 o'clock already? Oh my gosh, this live stream went extremely fast. I don't even know how it went that fast, man. I swear, sometimes I hit a time warp and some other ones I don't. Get it! Throwing a green name in the chat right now. Who gets this one? Jeff, baby. Jeff got that green name. Man, you guys really did hit everybody with a green name. Jeff, hey, crazy man, dude. If click on the thing that Kenneth sent and then click enable gift receiving, and the next time you should be able to get one. But very nice to Kenneth. Jeff, man, you got that green name right there. If you do want to grab a green name in the future or want to renew it in the future, I would absolutely appreciate it. All of you guys, absolutely, I would appreciate it if you continue to support the channel in that way. But very cool that all of you guys got green names like that today. Kenneth, man, Moji. I don't know if Tim sent one or not. But Kenneth, Moji, let's see, Kenneth, Moji, Tim, and Richie's Plain Talk. Guys, thank you very much for sending those green names out today. I really like that, too. On top of all the super chats and all that stuff, it's good to see that everybody else gets something out of it with the green name and so on. Pat, obviously, thanks for the super chats, man. AMC Trapper, I know you love the bananas. All of you guys, get your name in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and then we will be back with videos tonight. Appreciate every single one of you guys for keeping the chat awesome, supporting each other. You guys are incredible, man. We're going to do these shout-outs, and then we're going to be back tonight with videos 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Thank you guys very much. Patrick, enjoy your evening, man. Sean Guerrero, enjoy your evening. Ronald, Marquise, man, see you later. Thanks for the gift membership. Yeah, Marquise, man, I think you got that from I think yours came from Richie. So I appreciate that, dude, for coming in here and saying thank you. Crazy man, see you later. Jeff, see you later. Moji, enjoy your name. Or enjoy your name, Moji. Yes, do that for sure. But enjoy your evening. AMC Trapper saying peace out of the Diamond Hand Ape. See you later. AMC Trapper, Sky Stonify, Tim, enjoy it. Kenneth, enjoy it. Thank you very much. Moji, Jeff, enjoy it. Coming back up, Moji, Jeff, there you go. Moji, Sky Stonify, Jeff, DD214, Dopey OPI, see you later. AMC Trapper, Moji, Richie's Plain Talk, Crazy Man D, see you later. Jeff, D's. Mike, how you doing? Enjoy your evening. Emoji, hi. Hello. It's Outdoor Smile, changing his name to hi. Very good. Pudgy, see you later, man. Mark, see you later. E-Turbo, Back to the Future, Sky Stonify, J-Bones. Tim, man, enjoy your night. Let's see. Tim, Ronald, Kenneth. 3-month member chat. 3 months. My butt, I'm over 14. Well, I don't know, man. It says you're only 3, Kenneth. I don't know what's... YouTube is very, very strange, man. YouTube is very weird. DD214, Al Pacino, Old Rounder, Jeff, man. Ooh, Jeff's liking the emojis. Very nice. D, see you later. Dopey OPI, Back to the Future emoji, Sky Stonify. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Old Rounder? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the super chat. Later. Roulette wheel, man. Thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it. My goodness, dude. Coming in close on that one. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for that. Moji, dude. That's so weird, dude. Oh my gosh, that is so, like, I can see it on the screen, and it's so weird when I do that. Moji, man, thank you very much for the peach roulette wheel. Nope, we're not leaving on this one. Later to you, my friend Patrick, throwing a green name out there. Dopey OPI got that green name. Very nice, Dopey. Thank you out to Pat on that one. Patrick, man, thank you for that green name. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for the green. Absolutely, Jeff. You guys are, gosh, man, you guys are so generous. I love this. Tim says, I don't think so. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Tim, for the super chat. Jeffrey Budek got a green name. Jeffrey, man, grabbing a green name as well. Dopey OPI got a green name. Jeffrey got a green name. DD214, that is a peachy ending. Oh, it is. Who's AMC Trapper throwing out to right now? Who's got the green? 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 Who's got the green, man? Nobody wants. LJ Davis got a green name from AMC Trapper, man. Everybody throwing green names out right now. There will be no gray names left in this chat. Back to the Future, you better enable your gift receiving, dude. Click on that thing that AMC Trapper just sent. Enable your gift receiving because you are the only gray that I see, man. Everybody else is throwing on the greens right now. Patrick, man, roulette wheel, thank you very much. Moji, thank you very much. Jeff, man, shout out to you. Moji, AMC Trapper, Patrick, thank you very much. Dopey OPI, Tim, man, thank you very much. CB214, AMC Trapper, Patrick, thank you again. Jeffrey, Tim, D's, we got AMC Trapper throwing that green out there. Thank you very much for that. LJ Davis, one of the green name. Back to the Future, Emoji, DD214, Richard, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Deez! Thank you very much for the hot dog. So Moji did forget to eat a hot dog, huh? Moji, it's very simple. It's called the dip and shove technique. You dip the hot dog. You dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever your favorite dip is, you just dip the hot dog down into that dip. I choose queso. After you're done dipping, you shove it. Oh, thank you very much for the hot dog. Thank you very much for teaching Moji how to eat a hot dog. And thank you very much, Moji, for not knowing how to eat a hot dog. And if you're wondering about salt, you pour the salt out on the table and you throw it over your shoulder. But because salt tastes so good and it's good for you, you gotta... But it gets in your eyes every time. Tim, man, you gotta hold it closer to your mouth and it gets in your eyes. Thank you very much for that, Tim. Absolutely love it, man. We got shout outs to everybody. Moji, Ahmed, Sanal, Crypto, man, thank you very much for being in here. D's, thank you. Ahmed, Crypto, Moji, Crypto, Tim, man, AMC Trapper, D's, Back to the Future, Tim, Crypto, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Moji, throwing that green name out. Look at that, man. Back to the Future says, gift me, please. Moji throws out a green name. Guess who got it? Back to the Future got that green name. Moji, thank you very much for that. Back to the Future, man. Throw that thank you out there to Moji for that green name. Absolutely love seeing all the greens. Hopefully you keep that name green. Back to the Future. Be active in the chat. All that good stuff. Boom! Moji coming in clutch on that one. Basically throwing it straight to Back to the Future, man. Absolutely love to see that. Back to the Future if you can, man. Throw Moji a thank you on that one. Very excited. Welcome to the green side. Oh, yes, the green side is the good side. That's what I'm talking about. Shout outs across the board, man. Tim, AMC Trapper, D's, Back to the Future, now green. I love it. Tim, Santa. I'm going to say Sanol. Back to the Future, Moji, AMC Trapper, DD214, Back to the Future. Heck yeah, Tim. If you got a green name, keep it green and be in the chat. I love it, man. Absolutely. Maki, see you later. Moji, AMC Trapper, Corey, man. See you later. Patrick, peace out to you. Rich, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.